Hey Carl, it's Tractor Chris. It's a little dark. Working inside the building here in Las Vegas, doing a rock display for cars. We're looking at here the snorkel lift. Oh, there's some better light. This thing goes up, down, and all around. It's got some real professionals using it right now. Like they're going to lift this panel upwards and hang it from the ceiling. Oh, there goes snorkel lift all the way up. Kind of bouncing around a lot there. These panels are supposed to reflect some sort of video program. We have to see a snorkel lift operator has to be very careful of all the lights up in the ceiling, the people down below, not to mention those very expensive cars. Don't want to drop that cargo. It's a JLG, just like Grandpa Chris's reach all. And do some more work up there. Anyways, that's the snorkel lift. Let's see if there's any more activity. Extending the boom out.